Yeah, there you go. Get up there. Get up there, you big brute. You're the ringleader. How you gonna let Patsy just get up there that easy? Huh? Atta boy. Good morning. Hope everybody's having a hell of a day. I just got out here to the job site. It's bright and early in the morning. Gonna try a little something new. Show you guys what I do for a living. Today's gonna be a hoe day. We're gonna get some, we're gonna undercut a section out here on my job site. Just building a new medical office down here in Leawood. And tomorrow we'll be putting the riprap down. Hopefully the rain will hold out and we can get this whole little section done, but as of right now it looks like it's going to be raining. Well, I just got fuel. This stuff is soft. I'm having a hard time just putting it in the back of the truck without it splattering out or clumping together or whatever. And I'm sure you just saw I'm not the greatest on a hoe. A loader and a dozer are more my thing, but we'll get her done. See how much more we can do and see where this goes. Well, I got everything cleaned up, loaded out. Tomorrow we'll be able to put some bigger rock back in there. And Casey's got me on a honey-do list. I got to go down here to Lionsgate and pick up a, I don't know what she called it, some cabinet for the kitchen or the dining room or something. I don't know. She just got me going to pick up furniture down here by my job site. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll go home and see if it looks good in the house. So there it is. It's a dadgum buffet. That's what it's called. I don't know, looks pretty good. It's blue. It's in the house. I picked it up. My wife is happy. That's all I can ask for. It's a win. Come on, goats. Yeah, there you go. Get up there. Get up there, you big brute. You're the ringleader. How you gonna let Patsy just get up there that easy? Huh? Atta boy. Come on, Loretta. I know your little butt can do it. You can get up there, girl. Battle of the wills right here out in the goat pen. Battle of the wills. Oh, give her some. There we go. She's the prettiest. She's also the runtiest. But she is awfully darn cute. Algae's just taking over, so we're gonna put the pond cleaner in there. We got some Crystal Plex algae control and some natural pond cleaner. We're just gonna dump these in both the ponds, and hopefully they don't overflow. See what happens. Pond number 2. Day 2 of the sink pit out here. Just putting some bigger rock in there and try and smash it down. I took about 18 to 20 inches out of it yesterday, and I've already put about 2 foot or so back into it. The rocks just keep smashing down into the mud, so I can't quite get it to come up like I'd like to. But for messing with big rocks and smashing down and keeping pretty good grade, so I'm not bouncing all over the place. We'll keep doing this and see where it takes us. Well, my right-hand man just showed up to the job. That's old Jake down there, talking to our lovely truck driver. And done bust a little bit more rock. This rock is dipping out of sight. I put 3 foot on this, and I only took out 18 inches. You do the math and tell me where that rock's going. Anyway, let's do a little bit more work. This video's for when I come home and I say I feel like I've been beaten up at work all day. This is working on rock. Well, that's about all we can do for this project. Call it a day, go home. Quitting time, baby. My favorite time of the day. See y'all later.